Oh, check out my load, dudes. Hey, dudes. Check out my load. Yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not sure what I did. I just took that thing apart. I did it a couple times. There's a little bit of jet. Pump the tires up on the loader. Gonna load this car. I gotta stuff a dishwasher and a bunch of stuff in the back of that, and then we'll put that on the trailer, and then we'll be ready for the morning. Yeah. You're missing all the good stuff. Here, wait till you see the neighbor's tractor. Look at this thing. What the? What the? You're running a little rich.
Yeah. Needs a little adjustment.
Solar powered. Holy shit. Look at the state.
The battery up. That battery I got up, it wasn't so fucking hot.
Look at the state of this thing. Where'd you pick this up? Electronical friggin' what's it? Holy. Oh, scores.
You want one, don't you?
Oh, I've
Your
had
lucky day. This one might be for sale.
Jalapenos. Oh, yeah.
Wife can take it to go to the store.
That'd be a good felon rig. Just take the felon, go shopping.
I might come back for another
That is that's like something I would have built back in the day, you know. I had a Honda tractor that the guy sold it to me. He's like, "Good luck." Next day we got an engine on it, ripping it around, getting a cops called on us at the park for plowing snow.
Nice.
It was pretty awesome. Just trying to test out my new contraption here, getting the cops called on me, no big deal.
Yeah, my son did that the other day.
Oh sakes.
3 o'clock in the morning, got brought home by the OPP.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Welcome to the club, kid.
Yeah, a little mischievous. Don't forget all this.
Oh yeah, I'll come back.
Oh,
I got a couple. I got more shit coming out of that fucking.
Anyways, yep, smoke cigarettes. Oh, what are we gonna do now? Oh, we got a couple hockey nets here. We can set up a big tournament. Felon likes playing hockey, so. Holy, that's enough. But yeah, big friggin' hockey tournament in Inwood coming up here, boys. But I should hook the trailer on. We'll pull her around over here and get her into possession. Freaking get her into possession, probably. Taking some loads over there too, I guess. Freaking all, that's probably be the last Polly Baxter sighting, eh? Probably one of the last Polly Baxter sightings in Inwood, probably. Probably will. check this out. Nilight sent me some headlights. They sent my yellowed tarnished ones. Check these guys. They even come with friggin' Fanti Metanos, so we don't wreck them. But problem is, this is inwood. We're gonna wreck them. Nice. Nice clear guy onto them, so they don't get wrecked. Oh, it's even got a new guy. I just took the headlight out of my truck there, and it's missing the guy. So sweet. Look at that. But like I said, this is inwood. We're gonna wreck them. So that's the bottom. So of course these guys got all type of the headlights for different making the models, right? Just like that. He's mad. He's so mad. Hey? Just custom vinyl lapping my friggin' my friggin' headlights. I apologize. I think that turned out friggin' splendid. I mean, there's a couple deviations. Let's get those out. Let's get the deviations out of here. When you're going 900 miles an hour in a common turbo diesel, that's going to be the least of your issues, I think. Better off worrying about your friggin' oil consumption. I apologize. Yeah, look at the state of this. Cloudy dicked. It's got the yellow ambiance onto it. I'm going to replace it with that. Mucho more better. Look at that. Almost like it meant to fit there. Should be able to get a half decent Santis, you think? Look at the friggin' sunset, boys. Oh, look. I figure we should shunt you this, whilst in the night. Well, we should be able to stunt our way now. Yeah, that looks badass big time. Check out the Santis factor on that. Nice. Well, I do need to aim him a little better, but check that out. Oh, he suffered. Hey, s'mores. Yeah, I'll put the link in the prescription. They got all different type of lights for all different type of trucks and cars and stuff, so pretty nice for that. But yeah, anyways, we'll take this load in the morning and it'll be freaking awesome. Oh, my rig's right here. Scores. Oh no. 14,980. Well, that's fucking pretty well useless. Truck and trailer empty. 11,860. This trailer weighs more than the other one, a couple hundred pounds, I think. 680, 860. Yeah, it's about a couple hundred pounds. Just gunning it. The ball sack's missing terrible. That's not good. That's not good. Surely wasn't worth getting up early for, that's for sure. Uh-oh. Scrap no good, scrap no good. We're gonna need to make some room. Somebody got 600 bucks for this case friggin' backhoe. Not good. Wow. That's not good.
Those two plastic bins over there. And
Oh, fucking Dave brought them over.
yeah.
They're behind that house or something.